What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video, and it is the weekend. It is Easter weekend, and we're just having a look at a couple of trades I've entered on Bitcoin and Euro USD, not Euro USD, sorry, ETH USD. And basically, the rundown of these trades is we had a breakout of the overnight highs here. Price pushed up. We came back down to retest. The retest couldn't hold, and we couldn't find volume to push up any further. We've broken down below, and then we've got this nice sort of price action candle here, showing rejection from the past resistance. So tried to become support, couldn't do it. It's become resistance again, and prices pushed down. I got in a little bit late. I would have liked to got in just as this candle broke this candle's low, but we got in a few pips lower than that. Stop loss above the high of this candle here. Going for a 1-to-1, and then we could potentially manage the trade after that. Bitcoin, much the same. Breakout of overnight highs. Price pushed up, came back down, and we've closed back below, and price is looking quite bearish. So I'm anticipating price to push down a little bit further. So let's see how it goes, and we'll come back when we got some results. Alright guys, so it's been a little while, probably an hour or two since I entered these trades, and the first one has, first TP has been hit on both pairs. ETH just came down, I was watching it, managed to just clip out what we wanted. I actually think it probably, by the time I got it, was about here. So we've got a stop loss at break even now, and we'll let the rest run for the rest of the day. BTC, on the other hand, has hit first TP, and I actually closed this one out in full because it was a little bit more than ETH, and I'm quite happy with that. So we've got a runner on ETH, and BTC is closed out, so it shouldn't actually have TP1 here. It is just done. So a really nice trade. We had that breakout, as I say, of the overnight highs. Price pushed up. We could have got a trade here somewhere, maybe on the lower time frames, but we missed it. Price came down. Resistance couldn't become support. We broke through again, and then yeah, prices continued down for sort of like quite a large fake out, and same thing for ETH. So really nice trades there. I'm going to leave the video there because I'm heading out because it is the weekend. I'll let the runner run, see what's going on. It looks like we may even get stopped at break even, but two successful trades. Like it when the weekend ones work out too. But yeah, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. There's going to be loads more videos, loads more content. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.